رجعنا لكم مرة ثانية وحياكم الله معي أنا وإيام على بوليوود 100%. راح نشوف ونشاهد مع بعض بارت 2 انترفيو فيري اكسكلوسيف لكل الكاست مال شاديكي سايد افكت اكيد الجميلة والكيوت والنمبر 1 اكترس على الساحة السينمائية الهندية البوليوودية فيديا بالن والمالتي تالنتد اكتر اكيد فرحان اختر. نشاهد.
We are all happy to see you both on the screen for sure. Vidya, I'm sure it's gonna be a little bit, I don't know, but somehow not that easy. I mean, to work with a singer, an actor, producer, director at the same time.
No, it's actually.
Sakit can't sing. What do you mean?
No, he's so multi-talented, but I think Farhan is extremely unassuming, and that's something that also inspires respect. He doesn't carry the weight of his gifts or talents, around with him. It was very easy to work with him.
Okay.
And I will say this, that I was actually very fascinated by his approach to the entire process, because it's a holistic approach. He knows it from all angles. He's not just thinking about the scene that we're performing or just about his character. He constantly has a sense of the entire film and different character graphs. So I'd say I learned a lot working with Farhan.
Yeah, I think this is what we call it actually, when the actor absorbs the script
Yeah.
and the character. Any funny moments that you want to share? I mean, from the.
Oh my God, lots.
I'm sure there have been lots of funny moments and crazy moments, maybe.
Funny moments. My favorite funny moment was there's Ila Arun, the singer actor, Farhan, and me. Three of us were in one scene, which
Okay.
was a rather serious scene, and she was screaming. We were screaming at each other in the scene, and by the end of it, she had to just open the door and exit.
Oh my God,
And angrily she says, "मैं जा रही हूँ." Opens the door and the door doesn't open.
And it's not opening. Cut again, repeat the scene.
No. But she didn't want to let go of that mood, So
Okay.
she's saying, हाँ, जा रही हूँ. And I think we just cracked up. No one could believe that she'd actually tried to keep up the scene despite the fact that the door was jammed.
Okay,
So many
that's
such
cool.
little things.
Yeah,
Which
there was
were-
also this one amazing sound guy. Remember the boom guy? He was also very, very cool. There was the guy who holds the boom mic.
Yeah.
He had decided that he would always find the perfect spot on set to stand that would be in either where you're supposed to look and do your scene, or then if you're entering the scene, he'd be right about where you're supposed to walk in from. Right? So he would always be there. So finally, we of course requested him a couple of times. Very, very sweet man, of course. But we requested him, sir, we need to enter from here. He'd be like, oh, I'm so sorry, I need to move. And then one day, Veer and me were shooting a scene, and he, of course, stood where we were supposed to enter from. So we decided we'll just bring him into the scene. So as we walked in, we just caught our arms together and we brought this man into the scene. So there's one shot.
Oh, bichara.
No, it's okay. I mean, everyone's there.
Any
It's a
favorite
laugh.
track? Any favorite track of yours from the film?
It's very difficult to answer this question because more often than not, all the music is there because everyone's really liked it.
I know the film. It's like your proper sound.
Yeah,
so you cannot say, I don't love this.
it's very, very tough. It was fun to shoot. The song that we did in Australia was a fun shoot.
Yeah. Okay.
And I think that song it's a nice new kind of very light, breezy, reggae-like romantic number. तुमसे प्यार हो गया, sorry but तुमसे प्यार हो गया. So that song was
Cool. Any of your favorite tracks?
I'd agree. Sorry Tumse Pyar Ho Gaya is my favorite too. Though I'd also say that Vyah Karke Pachhtaya is something that you instantly want to dance to.
Okay, that's cool. Any message you want to say to all the Arabic fans?
Just
love what you're doing on the screen.
thank you all very, very much for all the love that you've been giving us through these years and for loving our films. I really hope you enjoy Shaadi Ke Side Effects. It's a very heartwarming, charming film, which we've enjoyed making. So go with everyone you find, or even if you go by yourself, just go for the film.
just drag random strangers just drag random strangers to the theatre with you. It's a very interesting experience watching a film with a random stranger.
Of course, yeah. Great. Thank you. बहुत شكرية. And please
شكرية.
enjoy the weather in Dubai.
Thank you very
Yes,
much.
thank you.
Okay.
زي أفلام دائما تحاول تراضي جميع مشاهدينها ومتابعينها من جميع دول العالم. يا ترى هالمرة زي أفلام شو حضرت لكل محبينها وعشاقها من أفلام جديدة very exclusive وحصرية ومميزة. نتابع.
ها أنا تيسمر خان، أنا تيسمر خان. الشرطة. أوبس، أنا ماني تيسمر خان.
إذا نكتفي بهذا القدر من الأحداث والأخبار والإشاعات الأساحة السينمائية الهندية البوليوودية وكل ما هو جديد على زي أفلام. تابعوني دائما أنا وئام على بوليوود 100% في نفس الوقت وما ندري في هذا المكان ولا مكان ثاني. باي.